brings me to the point, what do I mean by improvement? And where is the scope of improvement? I think when you pick an idea which already exists, you are able to do three things. One, you're able to see the pain from today's lens. You're able to understand that in the current world, a solution which was probably ideated 10 years back, 20 years back, 30 years back, maybe if you're lucky, there is a solution which is the same solution for last 50 years. In today's current world, in current surroundings, in current environment, how has the pain changed? Or how a solution that should be delivered for that pain, can be attempted. Second, you don't need to educate people. आपको किसी को ये बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि ये पेन क्यों है, ये आइडिया क्यों एग्जिस्ट करता है, या फिर ये प्रोडक्ट क्यों लेना चाहिए, ये सर्विस की जरूरत क्यों है, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आपकी इंडस्ट्री में एक प्लेयर है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई डोंट नीड टू कन्विंस यू टुडे दैट व्हाई डू यू नीड टू ऑर्डर ऑनलाइन एंड व्हाई a Swiggy or a Zomato matter. You already understand that. In fact, you fully are aware and sold on the fact that restaurant को order करने के लिए call करना ही नहीं पड़ता है. मेरे को आपको educate करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये आपको पता है. आपका de facto mechanism app है. अगर मैं इसकी service improve कर दूंगा, और suppose मैं आपको बोलता हूँ कि यार there is an app which is going to take an order compulsorily on voice. There is not going to be any tapping. There is not going to be an OTP, no payment. You pick up the phone, press a button, record your order, send it, and under 20 minutes it will be delivered to your plate. I think that's a great idea. Very hard to attempt, but it's a great idea. And suddenly, you will start shifting to that if it is giving you a better experience. And third, there is a market already created. आप इस मार्केट को साइज कर सकते हो. आपको ऑलरेडी मालूम है कि इसमें कितने कंपेटिटर्स हैं, आपको मालूम है कितने कस्टमर्स हैं, आपको मालूम है इसमें कितना ट्रेड हो रहा है, आपको पता है कि अगर इस मार्केट का मैं 1% भी अचीव किया, सो वेयर विल आई रीच, एंड that's actually great. So I tell people today that you should not work in areas which are virgin, which are unknown territories. You should actually start your business in a very crowded market. You should start your business in a market where you can say कि यार हर कोई यही कर रहा है, and then I'm going to improve on it. Another way to look at improvement on the ideas is to also find those slivers, specialization of a generic product. थोड़े दिन पहले मैं किसी से मिला और मैंने उनसे पूछा कि what you do. He said we make headphones, and I said okay, wow. wow तो सिर्फ courtesy सेकता है, इसमें headphone बनाने में wow गया. So I smiled and I followed it up with a question which I am assuming that person was used to hearing every day. I asked him, so what's special about it? Headphones तो सब बना रहे हैं. So he replied, oh yeah, we make headphones for OTT binge watchers. I was like, what? He said, yeah, we are not making headphones for people who are, willing to appreciate music, high fidelity. We are not competing with Bose or anybody else. Our headphones are only meant for people who are binge watching Netflix, Amazon, who are watching series after series, and it's only for that. एंड मेरे दिमाग ने ऑलरेडी पिक्चर बना ली कि इसका हेडफोन कैसा होगा. तो मेरे को लगा कि इसका हेडफोन हल्का होगा, ड्यूरेबल होगा, हाई क्वालिटी होगा, हो सकता है बैटरी होगी, ब्लूटूथ होगा तो भी ग्रेट क्वालिटी होगी, रीजनेबल होगा. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी exorbitantly costly. It's not going to be very cheap as well because he's specializing. And then I asked him, how much business are you doing? And that number was massive. The guy was already shipping some 50,000 a month, 50,000 orders a month. And I was like, wow, man, who could have thought that in a market where he could have said, we make sound systems, he would have said, we make probably headphones for everyone, all types of headphones, from a 700 rupees to a 70,000 rupees. But he said, we only do this sliver. And he's selling 50,000 of them a month. isn't that an improvement on an existing idea? And I think we can go further deeper. In fact, if you think about it, Bose, a great brand in speakers and headphones, they exactly did that. They categorized themselves as, a product which is only meant for people who appreciate, great music, who appreciate the quality of sound, who appreciate, the right kind of speakers for their music. If not, they are not their customers. So with that, all I can say is that instead of looking for a new idea, a virgin market, a market where you are going to be the first one, a market where you are going to educate everyone, a market where you are going to commit all the mistakes and then also hope कि अगर वो mistakes करते करते जिंदा बच गए तो फिर उन mistakes को सीख के उनसे improve भी कर पाएंगे. Instead of that, have the last mover advantage. There is no first mover advantage. First mover advantage सिर्फ hindsight में उन लोगों के लिए है जिन लोगों ने पहले होने के बावजूद बहुत सारी गलतियां करी और जिंदा रहे और अपने आप को इंप्रूव कर लिया और उसके बाद भी जिंदा रहे और ग्रो करते रहे. That's an outlier case. Last mover advantage is actually something that I always talk about because that's the best one, because उसमें आप किसी और की गलती से सीख सकते हो और आप सिर्फ फोकस कर सकते हो अपने आप को इंप्रूव करने पे, and to commit newer mistakes instead of committing those mistakes which make you look stupid. Don't reinvent the wheel and be the last mover.